Welcome back, guys. It is engine install day. The one thing I don't really enjoy doing, I don't really enjoy pulling them either, but trying to get everything to line up when everything's not removed, it's just kind of a pain in the butt. But my buddy Steve, the photographer Steve, Butcher Steve, he's on his way to help me. Got off work early, so I figured I'd try to knock this out. Switched over to the last two small things on the engine as far as the turbo feeds and the flex plate. I think that's it. So we're gonna try to get this thing dropped in today, and thanks to Eric Durr, my injectors are shipping back right now. He had them for like 2 days and they're already shipping back. So basically we're down to just get the injectors in after we get all this stuff done. Get this one piece here re-welded because it's got a hairline crack, and we should be able to fire it soon. So let's get this engine back in, and then we'll probably do multiple days until it's running. So let's get this started. She's alive! This makes me happy.
I'm doing a data log, make sure the dome pressure is reading. It's up hooked up, right?
Yeah,
Dome pressure's plugged up?
Yeah. Well, I think so. Yeah.
Okay, so it like you know how you had to park it on the two set for like, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 seconds before it actually started doing something last time?
Oh yeah.
I'm whacking it, and as almost as soon as I get done whacking it, it's banging on the 2.7.
Hey, wait a minute.
Did you not hook it back up? I did a data log so I can see.
I don't think we ever plugged. There's something unplugged out here.
Is it 2 pins? Pink and black? Yeah, that's the other boost solenoid. That's why it's not climbing.
Did you not get it plugged back in?
No, I didn't block the inlet. I didn't plug
Oh,
it
that's
in.
probably why then. Where?
I'll let it cool down.
Oh my God! So much more vinyl. There you go. Fast. Yay! I knew it would be.
From the get-go, this car needed more camshaft.
Yes, but we had to have the cubic inch to go with the camshaft. So guys, it's been a little bit since I filmed this video. There had been a lot going on. Steve had his newborn daughter, which is our new crew chief. 2 days after sick week, and there was just too much stuff going on. Just my life, his life, Joe's life, everybody's life. And I forgot to film the out video of this, so congratulations to Steve and Lindsay. Baby is safe, baby is healthy. So everything's going good now because this has been a little bit later. But I'm gonna give you some previews of the next video too. But to recap and talk about the engine, start up, ran, Steve adjusted the tune just a little bit. Everything was good. We've also been to the track since then, which that video will be coming out next, so keep an eye out for it. But that's really it. The engine seemed to be fine. Everything seemed to be going fine. And there'll be more to come with that. But I'm gonna give you guys a little preview of the next couple videos and the next things going on. Because we actually went to the grand opening of Jack's Wax of Louisville Saturday, and now, doop, transmission's out. As most of y'all know, we've been holding off on the transmission upgrades because I hadn't had the money yet. I ordered the drum today, or yesterday. It says it'll be here Thursday. I also bought the Sonex forward hub, clutch hub. I bought a 4L80 intermediate shaft. Well, we're gonna go ahead and rebuild the trans. It's been 2 years. We're gonna go ahead and get new clutches, a direct drum, those parts. Try to make this thing super strong. While we're at it, we're probably gonna be pulling the motor back out. Oil pressure is not exactly what we want, so we're gonna double check all the bearing clearances. I know they're good, but at the same time, I know I didn't shim the oil pump as much as I normally do. So we're gonna go ahead and take it apart, re-shim it, just double check, make sure there's nothing wrong with the motor, because this is kind of an expensive motor. And while we've already got the trans out, half the battle is already there. So it's not really a huge deal. But that's gonna be the next couple videos, guys. I really appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe. I'm really gonna try to focus on getting some kind of shirts and stuff, guys. So if anybody would be interested in shirts and stuff, please let me know. I'm gonna try to find a company that can make us something, and we'll probably make a couple different designs and stuff. But I really appreciate it, guys. Helps me out a lot. Helps me keep doing this stuff with this up there. And hopefully we can get to that. Hopefully we can get to that 850 pass soon. Unfortunately, we did not get into drag week, so we'll try to find another drive and drag somewhat soon, I hope. Next couple months. But we got a lot more coming. We're gonna go down to night school welding and film a little bit. Have a good time down there. So guys, I appreciate it. Like, subscribe. Until next time, we'll see you later.